Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe channel so you can continue receiving these wonderful recipes I have to show you. There's more in my channel. Please make sure to check that out. Don't forget, hit that subscribe channel. Please like, comment and share. It will really help us grow. So today I'll be showing you how to make holy tea. This right here is the plant you use to make holy tea. It's actually very beautiful. I'm going to be showing you how to choose the best grass. Some people call it holy tea, other people call it holy grass, whichever name you like. It's actually very nice. You can make it with lemon. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to be making it. So we are only going to be taking the green leaves, only those who are completely green. Ignore all the ones that are brown. Choose as many as you like, because the stronger the tea, the healthier and tastier it is. So I've taken about a handful of leaves. These will be enough to make at least 5 cups of tea. Okay, after choosing your best leaves, you're gonna wash them one by one with running water. Make sure you wash every single centimeter of it, because sand can be hidden in between. So guys, I'm going to be putting the leaves in here. I'm gonna let the water boil, and after it starts boiling, I'm gonna let it boil for 5 more minutes to make sure that all the essence from the leaves gets out to the tea. So our water is finally boiling. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like buttons, comment and share. Comment down below what you think about the tea, which other teas you'd like us to share in our channel. We'll really love to hear your comments. So this is what the tea is supposed to look like. You add sugar as much as you like. You may add lemon. It's really good with lemon, or you can just drink it like this. This basically depends on your taste. I hope you all like it. We'll be back with more videos. Please stay connected to our channel. Bye. I'll leave in the description all the benefits of this tea.